Okay, the video's on.
Another one.
Well, I'm making the video right now. What do you want the video to be about?
Let's see.
Well, if you see it, then you can't see it until after we make the video. So what do you want to be on the video to watch later? You want to sing a song?
Yeah.
Go ahead. What do you want to sing?
No.
Twinkle Little Star?
No.
You want to pretend to sleep? You
Yeah.
want to snore on your video?
Yeah.
Okay, do that. Should we put Eli in the video?
No, me.
Hi, Eli.
Me.
Oh, is this all about you?
I want to see.
You ready to? You want me to stop the video and let you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.